This is Kyle Price, and you're listening to The Loon Call. This week on The Loon Call, we take a look back at some special moments and memories featuring two longtime Caroga Lake Music Festival members, Aaron Schwartz and Ken Kubota. Both Ken and Aaron have become sought-after arrangers and performers in multiple genres of music. This Thursday, on our third Happy Hour Music Corn Talk, we have Ken and Aaron as our special guests. Take a look at their childhood influences and how they became such well-rounded musicians, in addition to getting the inside scoop of some of their favorite moments during their summers at Caroga Lake. And that was a tune called These Foolish Things, performed by Andy Liang, Aaron Schwartz, and Ken Kubota during the 2017 Caroga Lake Music Festival. Aaron and Ken have become good friends over the years, but they actually met in Caroga Lake in 2014. They've spent a majority of their summers in Caroga Lake together since that time. They've collaborated on anything from old jazz standards to country music to pop charts to classical music. I can tell you they're definitely an unbeatable combo. I met Aaron and Ken in two different circles, actually. In 2010, Aaron was my freshman year roommate. And without sounding too weird, when we met, it was kind of like looking into a mirror. There was a lot of similarities in the personality. Like many freshman year roommates, we enjoyed hanging out together, playing music together, and even pulling dorm-wide pranks. But we'll talk about that more on Thursday. Ken and I actually started cello around the same time together through the Suzuki School in Columbus, Ohio. We were quite young when we started, about 5 years old, and Ken had just moved in from Japan. His mom, Chiaki, actually was one of my first pianists that I got to collaborate with as a young 5 and 6-year-old cellist. Ken also became a student at the Chamber Music Connection, a wonderful chamber music program in Columbus, Ohio, that was founded by my mother, Deborah Price. During his pursuit of his bachelor's degree at the Juilliard School, Ken and I became reconnected, and I was really excited to bring him to Caroga Lake, and he ended up bringing some incredible artists from the Juilliard School along with him, and continues to introduce us to amazing young artists every year at Caroga Lake Music Festival. This next selection features Aaron and Ken collaborating together on Schoenfeld's Cafe Music at the 2018 Caroga Lake Music Festival, with Kyoko Miwazawa on piano. Just love that mix of classical and jazz, as it really showcases the talents that Aaron, Ken, and Kyoko bring to the table, knowing multiple genres. To leave you off for the night, Here is a lesser-known work by Arnold Schoenberg, the Nocturno for Strings and Harp, featuring Aaron Schwartz on solo violin. Special thanks to recording engineers Mark Wienert, Ronald Lau, and Authentic City Records. This has been the Loon Call.